Some students find robotics and electronics interesting but intimidating. Others wait for the right age to start learning about the latest technologies. But curiosity, interest, and a little support are all you need to get started and satisfy a love for technology. Hi everyone, I'm Hiten Mandelia, an electronics and telecommunication engineer and tech enthusiast with a passion for teaching, and I'll be an instructor for the Computing with Arduino course. And together in this course of Computing with Arduino, we will explore the fascinating world of electronics and robotics through the Arduino simulation platform. You will understand how technical projects are created from scratch, comprehend how robot circuits are designed and operated, understand how intelligent robots are programmed through coding, and gain a deeper understanding of hardware in terms of input and output devices. With 100 plus practice exercises, you will test and build circuits and code simulation-based projects to gain a deeper understanding of input and output devices and the application of sensors in robotics and other real-world applications. You will also be introduced to the application of C++ coding in robotics. We shall understand the world of sensors such as tilt sensor, ultrasonic sensor, temperature sensor, and many more. In-depth and building projects through core concepts in coding such as conditional statements, looping, constructs, functions, and objects. Computing with Arduino is a project-oriented course. Some of the projects are Automatic Traffic Light Simulator, Intro to Alarming System, Password Genie, Temperature Monitoring System, Lightweight Automation, and many more. There are total 12 sessions with 15 plus hours of engagement through videos and 100 plus activities. The final session concludes with a mega project showcasing the power of Arduino to handle multiple sensors and devices to build a smart automation system. So if you are interested in electronics, robotics and coding and are curious to know how huge technical projects are created from scratch, welcome on board to learn these concepts in a fun way.